Kevin, we have my two nephews over here that are rocking away on the horse. Yankee and Ruby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're rocking over here. Real horseback riding. The Chashmonoim. So anyway, what's up, Max? How are you, Ivan?
Hi, we are back again with Max Funland.
That's it. We're back again, and the kids are loving it like never before. Look at them. They're rocking away over here on the rides. So these are the new rides you just got, right?
Yes, we have a lot of new rides, and this fishing one is new too. And we got
fishing one is new too.
Yeah, we got new arcades throughout the store.
You're always out coming out with new stuff every single time I come here. This is just amazing. Wow, what else is new here?
Back for you, right here.
All these.
So we add a lot of more games with the tickets.
Wow, every time I come here, it just looks newer and newer.
Of course, over here, we got some new machines over here.
Look at this, oh wow. New arcades. Very cool, very
new machines.
cool.
We got new piano game.
Oh wow, that's cool. Play some piano here.
And we got more game with the tickets right over on the other side right here.
Oh, this is a new game right here.
Right over here too. We got new games.
Damn.
Traditional arcade games.
Traditional arcade games with that
like
new
this.
touch. Wow, that's cool. Cool. I love it. You're always coming out with new stuff. And as usual, you have the big VRs, these jumbo VRs, 3D. You have the 7D theater over there in the back. Now for Chanukah, you have party rooms, right?
Yes, we have party rooms.
That's amazing, Kevin. Book your party rooms for Chanukah. The kids can play in the ball pits while the adults can enjoy sitting in the party rooms, eat the Chanukah party, the latkes. Beautiful big ball pits like we all know. Nice big rooms, Kevin. Somebody just finished the party over here, one room. Then we have another 2 rooms over there, Kevin. Big rooms, spacious rooms. Look at this.
And they are all connected. We don't just do party rooms. We also do exclusives.
Nice. So you
Chanukah.
can rent out the whole place for the family.
Yes.
Kevin, rent out this whole place for Chanukah. It's yours. The whole entire Funland.
Yes. Close to just you and your family.
Family Farkas, family Friedman, family Teitelbaum. It could be yours for the night. Amazing. Kevin, look at these shoes over here. So one family. Amish Mukla do jetzt. These are all the shoes. Unlimited fun over here in Max Funland. Kevin, I think it's a year, Max, since I was here the first time. I came the first time here about a year ago.
Yeah, so this is our, actually next month is the first, next month.
Wow, that's crazy.
Hi, so this is our new Christmas and Hanukkah special out here. So we give arcade points and we also give discounts for the trampoline. Starting from December 1st all the way to January 1st.
A whole month?
Okay? Whole entire month.
Wow, that's a great deal. So it's 10% off from the 2.5-hour trampoline, and everything's cut in half. All the points over there. Give me one more promotion. Give me something good for me.
Okay, so for everyone that's watching the Perlowitz show, for him, my good friend here, when you guys try to do the 60 theater.
The 60 theater in the back, the roller coaster. I'm going to show them what it is. They know what it is. In the oilem komt daaraan. Kijk, the track doet zich. The track's moving. And the roller coaster, the doors close. And here they oh wow. Ja, Gerben, het gaat best wel sterk, vind ik. De kinderen doen schrijven.
We're gonna give you guys a very big discount, basically half off, $5 per person.
That's great.
And for every 4th person, the 5th one is free.
Wow, Kevin, you heard that? For every 4th person, the 5th person gets a free over here. The prices are cut in half. Amazing prices from December 1st to January 1st. Make sure you come out here, 8th Avenue and 39th Street. And if you want to book a party, what's the phone number?
You can call us at 646-423-9863, okay?
Thank you so much.